Single-pass superabrasive bore finishing is a sophisticated new technology that is opening up a new world of high-precision machining, capable of achieving tolerances in surface finish and bore geometry that are impractical with conventional honing techniques. Engis bore finishing systems are revolutionizing the production of high-volume, high-precision components. In the process, Engis customers are lowering costs and increasing productivity in 5 key areas. Longer tool life. Engis Diamond and CBN single-pass bore finishing tools cut cooler and last longer than conventional hones. You finish more holes per tool while reducing tool replacement costs. Labor savings. Engis systems automate both the actual machining and the load-unload stages of your operation, reducing labor costs and increasing overall productivity. Fewer rejects. The single-pass process pioneered by Engis is inherently more consistent and reliable than conventional honing. You're able to run higher volumes at tighter tolerances while improving quality control. Shorter cycle times. It takes less time to make a single pass through the workpiece. It's that simple. Reducing downtime. Engis bore finishing machines feature controls and options that include spindle load sensors, in-process gauging and tool size adjustment, tooling and fixture designs aimed at reducing crashes, plus user-friendly programmable controls, all designed to maximize uptime. As the leading developer of single-pass superabrasive systems, Engis brings more than 25 years of expertise to each customer's application. We are dedicated to continually advancing the technology with recent developments including automatic tool size compensation, a patented process for OD finishing, blind and semi-blind bore finishing, and bore-to-datum concentricity capabilities. Equipped with our Diamond and CBN finishing tools, Engis bore finishing systems produce bore geometries to within 20 millionths of an inch or less in production. These incredible tolerances are attainable in part because Engis systems are designed as a total end-to-end package. This includes machine design, tooling and fixturing, customized automation systems, and process development, testing, and support. The tools. Engis bore finishing tools are manufactured under an ISO 9002 certified quality system. Time-proven plating technologies are used to bond the superabrasive particles to each barrel-shaped tool. Tool designs and shapes vary depending on the application, the material of the workpiece, and the size of the bore. Size compensation is achieved through calibrated adjustment nuts at either or both ends of the mandrel. Fixture design is an integral part of achieving optimum accuracy and repeatable results. How the part is held during the finishing process is just one aspect of fixture design. Some applications require the use of a simple collet. Others may require a free-floating gimbal part fixture. Still other applications demand rotating fixtures capable of interfacing with automated loading and unloading operations. Engis knows fixtures inside and out, designing each part holder to the job. The machines. Engis provides both standard and custom-designed machines. Among our standard models is a 4-spindle machine featuring Allen Bradley controls, an 8-station indexing table, a servo-fed column, and an automatic lubrication system. For manual jobs, another standard model is the Engis 5000-2, a dual-spindle bore-sizing machine that is ideal for 2-step roughing and finishing operations. Customized machines from Engis include 6- and 8-spindle systems capable of performing multiple operations at the same time. Some of these machines feature a separate, isolated column capable of performing specialized operations, such as crosshatch and sine curve finishing, brush deburring, and in-process gauging. Whether standard or custom, all Engis machines are designed and built to be best-of-class performers. Among the hallmarks of this commitment to quality are such features as precision spindles with Class 7 bearings, a rugged, compact machine base, servo-fed columns, pneumatic counterbalance systems for extended ball screw life, hydraulic indexing tables, automatic lubrication systems, interlocked coolant systems, isolation transformers, easy access to internal components, top-of-class subsystems. Optional features and enhancements for Engis systems include spring-loaded tooling that is interlocked with the machine controls to protect both the machine and tooling from potential crashes. Shadow gauges that detect misloaded components, also interlocked with the machine's controller. Full perimeter guarding with light curtains for added operator safety. Opti-directional spindle controls. PEC motion capability with a minimum of 5 presets programmed into the controller. Torque sensors that monitor spindle loads. And load-driven variable feed rates that produce the shortest, most efficient cycle times in the industry. All Engis machines feature Allen Bradley controls that include teach programming and storage for up to 99 programs. Customers may specify other control manufacturers if desired. Each machine also features dual OptiTouch cycle initiation buttons with cycle times as short as 4 seconds. Another capability that our customers value and that sets Engis apart is our ability to custom engineer a wide variety of automation and gauging packages. Engis works closely with each customer to design, manufacture, test, and install automated systems for loading and unloading the parts being finished. Each system is driven by the size of the part, how it is presented to the machine, fixturing, gauging, and other factors. Among the newest automation options developed by Engis is a robotic process that automatically compensates for tool wear. The system brings significant labor cost savings, higher yields, and increased throughput to single-pass bore finishing operations. Here's how it works. A central robotic arm picks up incoming parts and places them into fixtures on the Engis single-pass bore finishing machine. The parts are finished by a series of single passes through the bore. The robotic arm then picks the parts from the machine and swings them over to either another finishing station, such as an outside diameter grinding operation, or to a gauging unit, where it is measured for tolerance before being moved to the final unload station. The auto-comp function is triggered by one of 2 events. The first event is feedback from the gauge unit, telling the system a particular tool needs adjusting. The second event is a check mode that is triggered after the system finishes a preset number of cycles programmed into the system. During this check mode, the robotic arm picks parts from each position on the index table and drops them onto a gauging device mounted directly to the machine itself. Each part from each spindle station on the machine is measured. The robot then changes its tooling, utilizing a specially designed unit to adjust the diametrical size of the diamond tools. The robotic arm makes the required adjustments based on the information calculated through the gauging system's computer. Engis is unique in its ability to develop and integrate these labor-saving systems into the flow of each customer's operation. Much of that integration takes place in the Engis Bore Finishing Process Development Labs. Engis operates 3 such facilities located in the United States, Japan, and the United Kingdom. Here, Engis system engineers work side by side with customers to test, refine, and improve bore finishing processes and technologies. Tooling and fixture packages are tested. Prototype parts are run. Material removal, surface finish, and bore geometry are all rigorously measured and documented in each facility's metrology lab. These labs utilize state-of-the-art devices capable of making extremely precise sub-micron measurements. The core mission of the Engis Process Development Labs is to ensure that each Engis bore finishing system exceeds the performance standards demanded by today's sophisticated materials, parts, and applications. In the world of bore finishing, Engis is committed to enhancing and extending its position as the industry leader. To do that, we will continue to listen to the needs and demands of our customers, developing for them high-precision, high-volume bore finishing systems that improve quality and reduce costs in every way imaginable.